have over $100,000 worth of makeup behind me, and today we're gonna let this random color picker pick which color product we're gonna use for each step of our makeup routine. Literally every color of makeup product you could think of, so we're gonna start off with primer and just pause this and see what we get. Okay, we got an orange colored primer. Orange colored primer, this is the Milk Makeup Cloud Glow Foaming Primer, and this is such a fun primer. I love a foaming primer, and this actually gives a very nice glow to the skin. This is nice and primed. Now moving on to foundation, this is an important one, so let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, we have to do a teal blue packaging foundation. For teal packaging foundation, we're gonna go in with the IT CC Cream. This is the matte one. I've honestly never tried this before. I see a lot of people like it, so we'll see if I like it. First impressions are this is very thick. It almost feels like a clay mask, but let me blend her out. Foundation honestly looks beautiful, but if you don't like matte foundation or if you have dry skin, I would stay away from her because she's very matte. Now let's see what we're gonna get for cream contour. We have to do a yellow packaging cream contour. Yellow packaging cream contour, we're going in with this stick from Trixie Cosmetics. I blended out this side so you guys could see the difference. It blends out so beautifully. Moving on now to cream blush. Let's see what we're gonna get. This is my favorite step, so I hope it's good. We have to go in with a yellow cream blush. The yellowish cream blush I had is this gold one from MAC. It is the cream blush in the shade Coveted Coral. It's gold, so I'm gonna count it as yellow. We have to go in with a concealer. Let's see what we're gonna get. We have to go in with a blue packaging concealer. The blue packaging concealer I had is this Thread Beauty one, and I'm pretty sure it's expired because it's like 3 years old, but we're sticking to the challenge. Although my under eyes look good, I will say it is burning me a tiny bit, but let's just move on to setting powder, probably the most crucial step of my routine. Let's see what we're gonna get. We have to go in with a purple setting powder. Purple packaging setting powder, we're going in with the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass powder. This is in the pink shade, and you guys, look at how blurred it made my under eye on this side compared to this side where I don't have it. Now that the face is powdered, here's how we're currently looking. We look super smooth, but a little bit ghostly. If we want to see if this color generator is gonna make the final makeup look come out good, go to part 2 on my page now. I have over $100,000 worth of makeup behind me, and we're currently letting a random color generator pick out my makeup. This is how we're looking so far. If you missed part 1, go check it out on my page now, but now we need to move on to bronzer, so let's see what we're gonna get for our bronzer packaging. We have to go in with a yellow packaging bronzer. A yellow packaging bronzer, we're going with the Juvia's Place Bronzing Duo. This is like a tannish yellow packaging, so I feel like it counts, and I haven't used this in forever. I forgot how pretty she is. It's time for eyeshadow. Let's see what color eyeshadow palette we're gonna have to use. It's gonna have to be an orange colored eyeshadow palette. So it's the closest thing I had to an orange eyeshadow palette. It's from Morphe, and it has all these beautiful nude matte shades in it. This is what I came up with on the eyes. I'm obsessed with it. Moving on now to powder blush. Let's see what we're gonna get. We have to go in with a green packaging powder blush. Only green packaging blush I had was this one from Trixie Cosmetics, but you guys, the inside is like fire hydrant red. I went with a super light hand, and it actually looks pretty. It's time to go in for our nose highlighter. Let's see what color we're gonna have to do. We have to do a purple packaging nose highlight. The purple packaging highlighter I had is a legit purple highlighter from ColourPop, and I don't really love the idea of a purple highlight on my nose, but I guess she looks cute. For our lip combo, let's start out with the lip liner. For lip liner, we have to go in with, again, a purple packaging lip liner. For our purple packaging lip liner, we're going in with the Kimchi Beauty lip liner. This is in the shade Almond. It's like this gorgeous brownie nude color. Now it's time for a lipstick. Let's go ahead and see what we're gonna get. We have to go in with a blue packaging lipstick. For blue lipstick, we're going in with this Glamlight X Barbie one. It's like this gorgeous nudie pink shade. I just stuck it right here in the middle of the lips, and it looks super pretty. Last but not least, we need a setting spray, so let's go ahead and see what we're gonna get. For setting spray, we have to go in with a green package setting spray. Green setting spray, we're going in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. This gives your makeup such a good grip and really just makes sure everything lasts all day. This is my completed makeup look, letting the random color generator pick out my makeup. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, but I feel like the color generator absolutely killed it. Like, I'm looking at this makeup in the mirror, and I feel like it looks absolutely flawless. I am so happy with how it came out, but let me know what challenge you guys want to see me do next. Love you, besties.